Okay, folks, I think I'm streaming. Okay, so I saw an NQ buying opportunity. I hope it's not gone. Well, it's right in development right now. So this is the point control area. We were talking in the morning about waiting for a buy opportunity from the point control. Possibly we have a punch down into the single print down here. So we just need to be careful that we don't prematurely get into this. So let's just see how this imbalance is respected, if it's respected. And it looks like it was not respected, but it may just be wicking below it. Let's see. Actually, my what I'd really like to see is some kind of move into the single print rather than directly off the POC. The reason for that, this stream is a bit of a rush, so I'm a little bit on the hoof here, but I can see some bid liquidity just below current price, and also a lot of offer above price. So I'll just print that on the group. All right. So yeah, there's some buyers just waiting here, so I'd like to see them kind of punched out. So we'll just keep a close eye on the footprint. There's been a lot of like little invitations to buy. If you look here, we had a punch down. This bearish imbalance was respected, so we're still bearish. Moving down, moving down. This looked like a liquidity grab on the POC. Bit of a trap. As you can see, we had a good bullish candle. It's like a quick rejection, but now it seems to be breaking the stacked imbalance. So what I want to see is kind of like somewhere down in this area, this single print for a buy. So I'll let this run and I'll see if I can make a coffee before the buy actually develops. Also, we'll get into why it's still a buy later on. Be back in like 2-3 minutes. All right, we're back. So that was quite an interesting punch down, and it's managed to overwhelm these bearish imbalances. So this actually looks quite strong for a buy, given that it's now past London Open as well. So we'll just briefly cover why this is still a buy. Right. So we've had these kind of two signs of weakness. The market moved the other day below last week's low. Okay, that's an external liquidity target. The next target is very likely to be these highs, internal liquidity. I think the dollar is going to be bearish until NFP. Why is that? Let's just have a look quickly. I've been saying this all week. Like, basically, the task for Dixie was to get up to this trap buyer. There's a huge amount of volume here. So that's all Dixie needed to do was, I think, just release that trap buyer. And for the rest of the week, it's going to fall. So that's bullish for equities. I think we just need to go back to the footprint chart just in case we miss some signal. It's like, I think I've just been yapping too much and I've not been focused on the actual buy. So actually a break of this bearish imbalance would have been your aggressive buy. Sorry, I've been talking on mute the whole time. Yeah, sorry, there's just a bit of a bug with my ATAS footprint. So hopefully I haven't missed anything. Why does it look really different?